Hello everyone, today we are learning the next two comments, flow along curve and flow along surface. Let's open this file, and I have already opened it. You will see some simple models in the file already. The comments that we are learning today is this one, flow along curve and flow along surface. They are very interesting and simple comments that can make you very easily to do some interesting shape form for your buildings. You can imagine this one is a stair, and if you do a stair like this, it's not very easy. But if you have flow along curve comment, you know how to use it, that will be very helpful. Okay, let's start our first practice. Flow along curve. We copy our original stair first, and then we draw a curved line because we are using flow on curved line, right? Okay. Then we go back to the perspective view, and then we click the flow along curve comment button. If you are Rhino beginners, please pay more attention to the instructions here. Select object to flow along curve. Okay, click, press enter. We need to find a base curve, so we draw a base curve now. From 0 to 0 sub baseline, and then it asks us to find our target curve. Okay, we already have it. This one. Yep. So we get it. But please pay more attention, because some guys, they ask me, oh, why I only can do a short one? The length of it is same to this one. Because you missed something. Let me show you. We do the same thing here. Click yes, enter, and baseline is same here too. Because you missed here, you didn't click stretch button. You clicked no. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay. So when you do this, you must pay more attention to here. There are many options you can choose. You choose yes, stretch yes, and then you get this one. Okay, let's do our next practice. Flow along surface. Okay, let's say this one is more complex, but you don't need to worry. We are not asking you to do the whole project now. You don't need to do this part. We just practice the flow along surface comment. This one is designed by Shigeru Ban, Japanese architect, and his project is very famous. And you can see it's very beautiful, amazing museum which located in France. And later on, this is his new work in Korea, a golf center. We just practice this part today. I will teach you how to do this in the later license. We do the whole project. Okay. Copy the parts to here, and then click flow along surface button. What do you want to flow? This part, right? See here, select object to flow along surface. Select it, and then press enter. Select base surface here, and then select target surface. Okay, we get it. But it's only the surface now, not the cubic thing, not the box. So what we do is we have the surface first, and then we use offset surface. You can say the offset surface comment is here, or you can tap offset surface here. We just practice tapping now. Offset surface, and we choose this one. And then choose all of them and enter 0.3. Okay, Okay. Okay, we get it. This is the same one to the top one. Okay. So what we learned today, we practiced 2 comments, right? Oh, 3 comments. The first one is this one, flow on curve. The second one is flow on surface. And the third one is offset surface. This is our license today. Thank you.